LeBron James gets his 70th career triple-double tonight against the Chicago Bulls. And look at that backdoor lob. Bulls caught sleeping. LeBron left open for three. They're just leaving him open. They're just saying, hey, go get that triple-double. Russell Westbrook recently just got to 100 career triple-doubles. There goes a chase down from LeBron James, letting Portis know. These triple-double stats are very interesting because LeBron James is known for doing everything. Yet Russell Westbrook is younger and has more triple-doubles, and he's a point guard, so it's harder to get those triple-doubles. Russell Westbrook is really out here stat cheesing. He's got more triple-doubles than the king. Turnover. George Hill going the other way. Poster. Antonio Blakeney, what a rise up. That's how you make him pay. First you stole it from him, and then you dunked on him. You got to be a savage to do that with the way that he dunked that too. Look at that three from way downtown. Valentine, he gets it cooking here. Step back, got Jordan Clarkson. Got him leaning back a little bit. Comes off the screen, throws up another one. Valentine with 34 points tonight. The final stat line for LeBron, 33 points, 13 rebounds, 12 assists. He gets another dime into the corner. 4-point play for Clarkson. Under a minute to play, LeBron in the clutch. A little fade away. He's got it. And look at this celebration. I don't think I've ever seen LeBron James celebrate like that. That is hilarious. He's going to get another block. Get that cheese out of here. Letting them know this win is for us. Got to take another look on the replay. Perfect timing. Wow, that ball was just about to go down too. See, why would Gibson just back up? Do you see that cheese? Why would he do that? Oh, what's that? What is that?
Cheese.
Why did Towns just shoot a full court three? Look at this cheese. Oh my gosh. That is unbelievable. 2K's cheesing out here.